this video, we going to show you how to use SwitchCase with enum. Alright, this is what we have from the previous video, how to create enum type. Like I said, enum is pretty much just additional types that you don't have on your primitive data type, int, double, float, and so on, right? So that's why we just create our own type by using the enum and values for that type, that are the possible values. Like in this case, account type could have administrator, student, staff, and guest. I think guest is to UEST. Okay, guest. Alright, so now account type. So you may see I use the option pane, right, to provide an array of account types here. Okay, and pass the values in as choices in here, an array to the option pane to create a dialog box like that with the option pane. Alright, now how to switch case. So switch and put the choices, which is not the choices, because choices is the list and I want to know what is the user select at that point. Then I have to put this like as an option on my switch, right? So you can use enum here as an option, and we know the syntax for switch case is gonna be case. We of course we have to refer to account type, right? For account type, we want to see if it's case administrator. Let me make sure I make it public, because Wonder is not seeing. Let me test right here. So we seeing it right there. So now when we get into switch, there you go. Now we need to say, so switch come with case and case that we want to say j option pane dot show message dialog and say welcome, right? Welcome administrator, and then we just do the break. Alright, seem like something with account type. Okay, so it seems like we don't need to have account dot type dot, so it works that way because it's already know this is account type passing in, so want to compare the values of that, so which is good. Now another case, so we can actually at this point copy and paste from here, right? Copy student, staff, and guest. Student, staff, and just change your cases, and guest. So, and the messages is gonna be different. Welcome student, welcome staff, and welcome guest. And this is gonna be case, which is what? Default, right? Like something else, we gonna say alright, wrong options, long choices. Wrong choice. Alright, so let's test this program. This is just another way to do the switch case with enum, right? So, welcome guest, right? Welcome student, right? That's just another way. Now, that's how we use enum with switch case. Now let's think about this a little bit. If I want to put a loop, right, then I don't have to keep running that, right? Always prompt me. We just surrounding where would the loop go? We have to prompt again. So at this point, right, we want to prompt user. So while it's true, so it's going to keep looping. I don't have to run every time. I just make the loop to be true. That means it's going to run forever at this point, right? Alright, so let's see what happens. Welcome guest, right? Welcome student. Like I said, I don't have to hit running every time that we try to test. Welcome staff. But it's going to run forever until you hit cancel or something. Now, when you have this, cancel actually sending the message at the same time. You can use cancel to terminate the loop, right? So